Channel. So today is a video on this company, Better Length Hair, and they sent me some clip-ins. Well, they sent me, I bought some clip-ins. I'm getting way too ahead of myself. I bought some clip-ins and they look just like my hair texture. I'm so excited to buy, I'm so excited to try them on. I'm going to be doing a ponytail today because I did realize when they do send you the clip-ins, it wasn't thick enough for my hair. This is probably about maybe like almost half of my hair, not even truly all half of my hair. So I'm going to need to buy another one or maybe two. But anyway, I have my hair. It is co-washed, deep conditioned, and it has leave-in and gel already. So I basically did a wash and go, but I didn't do it like seriously like I would a regular wash and go, because I'm gonna put this in a ponytail, so it makes no sense to do a regular wash and go. Anyway, so I'm gonna divide this section. See how this part. I already have gel on my hair and everything. I did use, let me show you guys the product I use. The yall leave-in along with the curling smoothie and then my favorite wet line gel. So, doing that. Alright guys, you could just leave it like this. I used to wear my hair like this all the time, a little wash and go and slick back ponytail, but I want length. So since my hair is still wet, I'm gonna go in with a t-shirt. Make sure it's a t-shirt so it can be less frizz. I'm basically drying my hair. Alright guys, so after the third attempt of trying to do this braid, finally got it. And in the meantime, we're gonna wrap this up so our edges can stay in. And by the way, guys, this is all trial and error. I never done a ponytail like this, so it's gonna be interesting to see. Anyway, so we're gonna take our first clip, open it, obviously. Should probably open all of them. I'm gonna fold this part in and clip that like that. And keep going around and clipping. Okay, so first clip. Way to do a ponytail, as opposed to just wrapping it around like a bun in the back. It makes it look bulky, and I hate that bulky ponytail look. Comment down below if you hate that bulky ponytail look, because I despise it. Anyway, I'm just putting some leave-in conditioner, guys, and I've already co-washed this hair and styled it, so a couple days ago, so yeah. I'm loving the curl definition. It looks just like mine. Hey guys, so this is the finishing results with the ponytail, y'all. I love the ponytail. I didn't even know it was gonna be this long. I did get 18 inches, by the way. So yeah, I'm just gonna read you guys the deets on the hair. I am loving it. I want to see the background, see the hair. I know it's still probably track showing, so I'm gonna get like a big scrunchie and like cover that, so it really look like it's coming out of my scalp. Because like I said before, do not like bulky ponytails. It's annoying, it's ugly, hate them. So this method for ponytails I love doing, because literally it's no bulk. It's like, so yes, like I said, this is from Her Given Hair, and I ordered it about a week ago. The shipping was amazing. Look, everything. It gives you hair care tips, even products to use. This was a letter from Amara La Negra, and she's beautiful, and I just love that she's the ambassador now, because It's amazing. She reps for afro textured hair always. You always see her with her afro, and it's beautiful. So yeah, like I said, care instructions, all that. They co-wash it and everything, and it's like another letter in here about COVID-19, which is still going on, and the product description. So like I said, it's clip-ins. It's the 3C4A coily textured. It's 18 inches. It weighs 100 grams. The hair color is natural. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've watched this far, give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.